I have a neat lock for you today. I know you see the name, but this is the Master Lock 550 EURD. It's all stainless steel, shackle body. It's got the shrouded body. It has a 5-pin core, all spools, but the thing about it is it's a dimple core. Yep, it's a 5-pin dimple core Master Lock. So just to go over it, I put out a short of breaking this, and I put out a short of jiggling it open with the Cobra Instruments tubular lockpick. So because I did the shorts, I'm going to forego that in the video. And the reason I'm going to forego that in the video is just for time, really, because even though it's a Master Lock, it's five spools. The tolerances are either bad enough to help it out or good. I'm not sure. But it likes to drop things, and the way that it takes me the longest to open it is to pick it. So that's the key. They're all pretty uniform except for number 2. So to try to get into it, I'm going to use a multi-pick Z-bar, and then the bigger flag, multi-pick flag. Okay, so one, 2 is low set, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I just either dropped something or overset something. 1, 2, yeah, I dropped number 3, and it's open. Okay, so that's actually the fastest I've ever gotten this lock open. But so I guess I'll try to rake it. There we go. So yeah, just to show, it can be raked, it can be picked. I guess it's kind of average as far as Master Lock goes, really, but I just thought it was super cool because it was this big old stainless steel shrouded shackled dimple core Master Lock 550, and I just wanted to share that with you guys.